And these are your news updates for today. It looks like the intense national debate over President Trump's refugee executive order could be headed to the Supreme Court as the dispute quickly works its way up to the judicial food chain, while adding another dimension to the confirmation fight over the president's pick to fill the high court's vacancy. I have no doubt that it will go to the Supreme Court, and probably some judgments will be made whether this president has exceeded his authority or not. Senate Judiciary Committee ranking Democratic Senator Dianne Feinstein told Fox News Sunday, "The president's order suspending the U.S. refugee program as well as most travel and immigration from 7 predominantly Muslim nations is on hold amid litigation and currently before the 9th U.S. Supreme Court of Appeals in San Francisco. Lawyers for Washington State and Minnesota already have told that the court that restoring the ban would unleash chaos again. The Trump administration, which has voiced confidence the courts will reinstate the measure, has until 6 p.m. Eastern Monday to file its briefs to the same court, which already turned down a prior Justice Department request to immediately set aside a Seattle judge ruling that put a temporary hold on the order nationwide. The rapid-fire legal maneuvers by the two states were accompanied by briefs filed by the technology industry arguing that the travel ban could harm their companies by making it more difficult to recruit employees. Tech giants like Apple and Google, along with Uber, filed their arguments with the court late Sunday. It looks like a meteor over Lake Michigan lit up the sky Monday morning across several states in the Midwest. Dashcam video from a police cruiser in Wisconsin and Illinois captured the fireball streaking through the night about 1:30 a.m. In addition to Illinois and Wisconsin, the American Meteor Society lists sightings in Indiana, Michigan, and other states as well. Meteorologist Jeff Last of the National Weather Service office in Green Bay, Wisconsin, said the meteor was accompanied by a sonic boom that shook houses in the region. Last says radar shows the meteor passing over Lake Michigan, but he said it's not clear if it landed in the water or if it broke up in the sky. Legislation began advancing in Pennsylvania on Monday to impose new restrictions on elective abortions as backers resume a push that stalled last year amid a veto threat from Democratic Governor Tom Wolf and opposition by Pennsylvania's largest doctors organization. A party-line committee vote Monday sent the bill to the full Senate, even though it still requires 4 votes in the House and the Senate. The bill is expected to eventually reach Wolf's desk. Clear majorities in the Pennsylvania GOP-controlled House and Senate oppose abortion rights, but it's not clear that supporters are numerous enough to override an expected veto. Wolf, who supports abortion rights, called the bill radical and unconstitutional and vowed to veto it. Last year, a nearly identical version passed the House 132-65, but it stalled just short of a Senate vote and died. The primary feature of the bill would be elective abortions after 20 weeks from pregnant women's last menstrual period, compared with 24 weeks in current law. As many as 16 states have a similar ban, not including an Ohio law that will affect in March, according to the nonprofit Institute, a research group that supports abortion rights. And those are your news updates for today for 2/16/2017. You guys have a great day.